Same old, same old.
Okay. What's up, bub? I know, I'm sorry. They look like they've been working really well.
Yeah, they have. And he started swim therapy last week.
Fantastic. How's he doing with that?
He did real good. The day after, he couldn't do much, but he still followed me around like normal.
I know, I'm so sorry.
okay,
Can you see this one?
You're okay.
I know, I'm sorry.
Now you gotta go. You're okay. Yes, you're okay. I got you.
Bring this up.
Yes, I got you.
Here we go. All right, buddy.